Speaking of big announcements, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 potentially is going to have a new upgrade, a new update for the Fold 3. And there's been a lot of rumors of what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have in it. Some big changes, some not so big changes. Some important developments, though, is that it's reportedly going to have a 7.5-inch main tablet screen and a 6.2-inch screen on the front cover of the phone. So it's not going to be very different from the Z Fold 2. In addition to this, the screen's going to come with the added benefit of 0 bezels. So even though the screen may be the same size as the Z Fold 2, it may appear a bit smaller just because of 0 bezels and not having any of those. So may feel a bit smaller. In addition to this, when we're talking about battery size, though, for battery size, the battery is supposed to be a slightly smaller battery at 4,380 mAh compared to 4,500 mAh battery. So slightly smaller. We're probably not going to see too much of a difference in terms of battery life. They're probably just with the new chips used in it, it's going to be more efficient. Last probably the same, if not longer, even with the smaller battery. So probably not going to notice any difference there. But the one thing is that they are also talking about including the possibility of S Pen support, just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra got earlier this year. So for the Fold, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, there's talks that it could be included directly in the phone. It could be integrated. They could have integrated stylus storage in the phone rather than using an add-on like the Ultra. The problem with this is that it would be a little bit thicker than a lot of people would want. If they didn't include that stylus storage, well, then you could either include a bigger battery, maybe make the phone a little bit smaller. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But there are rumors that there could be stylus storage integrated directly into the phone. Competition is really heating up, though, in this space, in the foldable phone space, with the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold and Huawei's Mate X2. So they're going to be getting this rolled out pretty soon. A couple of rumors on some of these features, but it'll be important to see how this differs from some of their big competitors with the Mi Mix Fold and the Huawei's Mate X2. So we'll have to see. Those phones are already much thinner than the Z Fold, Galaxy Z Fold 2. So if they don't make the phone thinner this time around, they're going to definitely have to make it thinner in later models. So we'll see what happens there.